turns into gold. Everybody knows.
Hello everybody, I'm Wang, founder and CEO of People Power, and it's great to be here today. Really exciting GREENSTART event. And at People Power, we are reimagining the internet from a network of computers to a new world where everyday objects are going to be turned into apps in your hand. And some people call this the Internet of Things, but you know, the Internet of Things sounds to some folks like some dark, sinister science fiction world of the future where Big Brother is watching. That's not what we think. We think the Internet of Things is going to look a lot more like this, where things that you care about, people that you love, pets that you want to monitor, this is all easily done from your hand. And already there are tons of things in the world. We're talking about cameras, smart plugs, thermostats, key fobs, alarms, routers, and so on. They are everywhere, and these things will fit into larger things. Your home, your office, your car, your roads, your cities. And it's so exciting right now because we are talking about moving from today with 5 billion connected devices to a future by the end of this decade where 50 billion devices will be connected to the internet. From consumer electronics to office equipment, from smart homes to smart buildings, it is going to be enormous. And it is going to be something that we are going to want to interact with from the device that has changed the face of computing today. Your smartphone. We all carry a smartphone everywhere, and we want to be able to control the physical world with it. It is going to happen. Now, why is this so valuable? It's because Apple has demonstrated to the planet that it's not just about hardware, it's about building the hardware, software, and services together that combine to make this awesome user experience that people cannot get enough of. And people will pay. And in fact, this year, Apple will make more revenue than Microsoft, Google, and Facebook combined. It's that big, it's that valuable, it's that important. And the war has already started as service providers and manufacturers wonder to themselves, do I have the DNA to build these world-class services and this world-class software to connect my connected devices in the Internet of Things and delight the customer and own that all-important customer experience and customer relationship? And that's where we come in. At People Power, we have built this powerful software stack with an open source set of APIs that can connect any device very quickly and surrounded it with high-quality behavioral analytics to make end users engage. We've gotten 2 patents granted, 8 patents more pending, and we have built a world-class system that then gets surrounded, packaged up in these beautiful applications that people love to use. Just talking about some of the systems that we have built, we're very excited to be working with Monster. So Monster is famous for their Monster headphones. Sure you've seen these. And they also have Monster Cable and Monster Power. Whoops. And with Monster Power, we are coming out with the sweetest app created to appeal to the monster target audience, which are youth. They want the coolest swag. And so what we did was we took our People Power app, we branded it Monster, and we came out with something that was simple, easy experience for you, or sexy for short. What we have done is created something where to connect this Internet of Things device to the network, it is so simple. You scan the QR code on the back of every device, and instantly the device is registered to your account, where then you can immediately start controlling it from your hand. We also give you feedback instantly in dollars and cents, not in watts that you really can't relate to. And we tell you about those creepy vampires that are sucking the money out of your wallet while you sleep. This country wastes $10 billion every year on vampire power consumption. So we are going to really help Monster keep the cool swag in front of their customers and save them money while they impress their customers. We're launching this at CES in January of next year. Very exciting. I also want to talk about another great customer who's launching next month, and that is Swisscom. Now, Swisscom has a problem that really most of the telcos have right now. Their voice revenues are falling, their data revenues have terrible margins, and so they need to find these new services that they can offer to their subscribers. And that is what Swisscom Qing is all about. So Swisscom Qing offers a set of devices to the Swisscom customer: security camera, occupancy sensor, 2 smart plugs, and so on. And we've built this application to help them educate anybody who wanders into a Swisscom shop about Swisscom Qing for home comfort, home security, and home energy efficiency, energy management. Swisscom is charging 19 Swiss francs per month for the service, and this is something that pretty much every major telco is moving into this area. And we have the apps and the cloud service to help telcos make a business out of this exciting kind of market. Because we are a team with the track record to deliver the ammunition that it takes for these giants to compete. I'm a 5-time startup guy. This is my 4th time as CEO. And for my last 3 companies, I sold 2 of them, one to Agilent, one to HP. And I also have taken a company through a successful IPO. We really know how to do these kinds of systems because my last company, Bitphone, became the world leader in device management software for mobile phones. We shipped in over 200 million phones. We powered some of the world's largest telcos, including China Mobile, #1, and China Unicom, #3. And we shipped in all 6 of the top 6 phone manufacturer devices. And joining me from Bitphone, our creative director, Jason, who is a user experience guru. He makes very complicated things simple and easy to understand. And by the way, that's also one of the reasons we're so excited to be at GREENSTART with David Murkowski and his team, who really understands the importance of usability and user experience. And then our co-founder and CTO, David Moss, basically implemented us at Bitphone into the Motorola Razr phones, which way back when were very cool. and now they're a little dated, but they basically put us on the map, and he is doing much the same thing for the Internet of Things. A full stack developer. Both of these guys are in the back. We'll be demonstrating our solutions to you in the back if you want to take a look. Now, we started People Power with a little unfair advantage. We had built a software solution that was very similar, and we're really selling to the same customers, service providers, manufacturers. And that's why we've been very fortunate to have grown our business from $500,000 last year to $1 million this year to $3 million projected next year to infinity. We're very happy to be making this traction with our customers in the market. And at CES in January 8th, we'll be very happy to have launched with 3 customers, Swisscom, Monster, and a third customer, Innovolt, which is making a commercial enterprise solution with their power protection boxes for industrial and business applications. With our cloud service and mobile apps, we can help them visualize power disturbances for these expensive pieces of equipment. So after CES in mid-January, we'll be in full fundraising mode, and we'd love to talk to you if you're interested in this space. On the road ahead, as you've heard, I've had some good luck, good fortune in selling startups to large players. Bitphone sold for $160 million to HP in 2007. And People Power is probably going to follow a similar road, because what we're building is so important, so valuable, and so cool, and something that everybody is going to want. Control the devices you care about, connect with the people that you care about from the new computer that is with you all the time. So if you're excited about this vision of the future, I'd love to talk to you. Thank you very much.